Thank you for choosing the Ford Bronco Sunshade. Follow these simple steps to install your new sunshade. Before you begin, you will need your Ford Bronco toolkit and the sunshade components included in your sunshade kit. Let's get into it. Step 1. Removing or fully folding back your Bronco's hard or soft top. For clear direction on this, refer to the provided video links for guidance. Step 2. Component E. Bungee with hooks. These will be installed on the first and third holes on both sides of the Bronco. Thread the looped end of the hook from below so that the bungee ball sits underneath the sunshade. Pull hook through and fasten onto the corresponding hole. Step 3. Component G. Black anchors. With the Ford Bronco toolkit, unscrew the latch screws of your Bronco located on the front corners of your Bronco and reinstall them with the black anchors. For hard tops with a metal plate, use 4 additional black anchors for center holes 5 and 7 located in the center of both sides of the Bronco. If there is no metal plate, use the black anchors with screws provided in Component F. Step 4. Component F. Black anchors with screws. For side anchors, insert the black anchor with screws into hole 8 on each side, ensuring they're firm but not overly tight. Step 5. Component B and H. Bungee installation. Attach the bungees to the front corner anchors, threading from below so that the bungee ball sits underneath the sunshade. Use the Bungee Assist / bottle opener to help loop the bungee around the black anchor and avoid pinching your fingers. Step 6. Attach the front hooks. Secure the front hooks onto your Bronco's foot loops. Step 7. Component B. Bungee attachment. Connect the remaining bungees to all the black anchors for a tight and secure sunshade. Step 8. Component C. Rear corner bungees. Position the rear corner bungees at a 45-degree angle around the roll bar. Remember, make sure the bungee ball is beneath the sunshade for a snug fit. Step 9. Component D. Rear bar bungees. Wrap the 4 remaining bungees around the rear roll bar. After installation, go over all components to make sure they are securely fastened and in their proper place. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Bronco Sunshade. To reinstall the hard top, start with the rear panel, replacing all screws and reconnecting any wires. Then move on to the middle panel. Position and secure the middle panel, making sure all latches are locked. The latches can be reached through the gaps between the sunshade and the doors. Last are the front panels. Attach the passenger side front panel first and secure it. Make sure the front hooks of the sunshade remain unconnected and the front latches of the Bronco should face downwards for easy access. Secure the front latches via the rear door latch, accessible through the gap next to the sunshade. Driver's side panel. Repeat these steps for the driver's side panel, using the gap between the sunshade and the door to access and secure the rear latch nearest to the door. Final latch. Use the middle zipper to access to the last latch. Simply unzip and twist to lock. Enjoy your Bronco's new sunshade and ride comfortably knowing you have guaranteed protection.